Hi everybody, I'm Tom.
And I'm Suzanne.
And today's adventure, we're here at the Kelowna Nordic Centre and we're going to do some snowshoeing. And to my right is McCulloch Lake and to my left is the beautiful Kelowna Nordic Centre. And you can see the history of cross-country skiing, but we're going to snowshoe. So we hope you enjoy today's video. And Suzanne would like to also say...
Oh yeah, please remember to comment down below, like or subscribe.
We'd really appreciate it. Thanks for watching.
Thanks everybody.
Welcome to today's adventure. We're here at the Kelowna Nordic Centre and we're snowshoeing. Yay! Okay. So the thing about snowshoeing is that our snowshoes have a mark here. It says R. You can see that R just above the tubs there for right, and you have one also for the left. The other thing about the snowshoeing is that below the shoe are the crampons. You got the rear and the front, and over on this side, some snowshoes, not all, have a climbing bar, so you can pop that up to go uphill. So it makes it easier and comfortable on your walking up the hill. And this is really a kind of a quick release binding. Pull out the snap there, make sure everything is loose, and then we just slide our big foot in there. And then we just do the straps. Make sure your straps around your heel. Comfy, give it a pull. And most snowshoes have a tie off here. Again, my bindings, you pull them down, left, right. And we're ready to go. We're walking on what used to be the Kettle Valley Railway, or Rail Trail now, and this is what it looks like in the winter time. Yeah.
Nice and quiet.
So where did you start from up?
Just the campsite.
It's a great tip, you guys, about the Idabel Lake, though.
Oh yeah, and you can like bring a lunch and have a fire.
Yeah.
And,
Well,
it's really good. Have a great day, you guys.
All right, take care. Yeah, you'll never know who you meet on the trails. Some friendly folks gave us a nice tip about Idabel Lake. Actually, it's hard to imagine that steam locomotives used to go right down this path. Beautiful. Even though it's cloudy today, it's so beautiful out here. Seeing the snow, the walk along the Kettle Valley Rail Trail. It's following.
That's only for cross-country skis though. Oh, let's see. Hi.
But we're gonna do a different route today. We're gonna take
Snowy Vista.
Snowy Vista, and take a couple different turns. So basically we're doing a whole loop of the park,
Okay.
and we'll end up back in the parking lot.
This is definitely the Snowy Grande. And they took the stove out, I guess due to COVID maybe.
Oh, probably.
Right?
Really in bad shape.
So you watch out for skiers here. Down this way. Look at someone's skating.
If you're coming from this direction, calm and quiet and peaceful. There's like nobody here, just you and me.
There's nobody here but you and me.
Yeah. And it's just total silence. And it's beautiful.
So it's quite a nice place to come to. And it's not too far from home.
Yeah.
I don't know if you can see that. I think that's a crow. There are 75 kilometers of snowshoe trails, so you can make all kinds of loops. Pretty cool. Hope you enjoy this one. We have Snow Beauty. With us. Come on everybody, follow me.
Kelowna Nordic Ski Club. Every snowshoe trail starts with the word snowy or snow. So if you just think of the second name of the trail, it's easier to remember where you are and what trail you're on. So the trails are Hilton, Vista, Summit, Log, Owl, Hemlock, Business, Bound, Cabin, Way, Leon, PM, Goose, Valentine, View, Beauty, Lynx, Memorial, Kitten, Blind, Moonlight, LV, Business West, and Lookout.
Wow, that's pretty good memory you have.
Oh yeah.
This is the fun part of snowshoeing, actually, is putting the headlamps on. The trails are very well marked. A lot of people ask if there are bears or other wilderness creatures that are kind of may come out and attack. Well, we haven't seen any. There are some lynxes here though, moose, deer, but for the most part all the animals seem to stick to themselves.
Snow Beauty. So we're along here somewhere. We're gonna come up across Snow Cabin.
Did you have fun?
It was awesome.
It was awesome. Snow conditions were absolutely amazing.
Fantastic.
We're back in our truck and we're ready to roll home. So we had a great day again today. It was just beautiful. Hope this video helped with some tips on snowshoeing and also snowshoeing in the dark using the headlamps.
Hi guys, it's Tom and Suzanne from the Kelowna Nordic Ski Club today.
We're not from the Kelowna Nordic Ski Club.
Okay.